So this presentation is going to be covering social media, a teenager's most dangerous tool. So some background for this: social media is basically any online platform that can be used to share information, and some parents worry that their teens are spending too much time on social media. Devonte Adams, which is one of the sources that we use for a personal interview whose name didn't want to be included, says that he uses social media frequent throughout the day, every day. Adams, as a 17-year-old male, believes this behavior is normal for teens. So some distractions that social media can cause are notifications and games that can cause teens to lose focus. Out of 57% of surveyed teenagers took steps to cut back from their mobile phone use. And self-esteem is another reason why social media is bad for teens. Low self-esteem is a target for online bullies, and online bullies will a lot of times target people that they see that have low self-esteem. Social media leads to depression, anxiety, poor body image, and loneliness in teens. And self-harm is possibly the worst thing that social media can cause on teens. Teens experience content that shows substance abuse and self-harm while they're using social media. This content can lead to unhealthy disorders and aggressive behavior. So one reason that people support social media is that it keeps friends and family connected, and teens can use social media to talk to people that are far away and otherwise unreachable. But what they don't understand is that it can impact your social skills. Social media makes it harder for teens to socialize in real life. Teens would rather interact on phones than in person, and teens may struggle when they're in job interviews or when interacting with customers in their future jobs and careers. Information is another reason why people support social media. They believe that social media provides them with a way to help them with their homework, stay updated on current events and activities around them. But distractions are a reason why this information is not helpful. Social media encourages teens to lose focus. These notifications that they receive through social media trigger an adrenaline rush that disrupts the teen's focus. This fight or flight response that happens when they have this adrenaline rush can ruin their focus for up to 30 minutes. New friends are another reason why people support the use of social media. 72% of teens have made a friend online, and 29% of teens say they have made more than 5 friends online. Bullying is a negative cause from social media that happens when teens try to make new friends online. 39% of teens surveyed said that someone had been mean or cruel to them when they were online or using their cell phones. 64% of teens experience sexist, homophobic, or other hateful content while using social media. So in conclusion, parents need to worry about the effects of social media on their teenagers, and one of the best ways that they could do this is by limiting the use of social media by their teenagers, therefore protecting them from all the dangers online. And here's a list of all the work cited, including personal interviews, articles from database, and articles from websites. And that is all. Thank you for watching.